Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix too many failed attempts on Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you're going to open up your app store on your phone, and now go to the search bar, type in Cash App. Once you do that, make sure to see if your app is up there or not. If it's not, then sometimes that can cause a problem. Now once you're done with it, now go to your settings and scroll down and go to search bar and type in storage. Then from over here, go ahead, choose your Cash App. Then tap on Offload App and simply offload your app first. This will also simply help you to remove all the unnecessary cache files. That will make your app work sufficiently. Now tap on Reinstall App and reinstall it. Now go ahead, open. This is most likely to solve your problem. Make sure to try all the steps and now you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching.